अशें म्हणटात की मनशाच्या आंगात एक तरी कला आसपाक जाय. कला मनशाक जगपाक शिकयता. आता हेच पळयात हो मडगांवचो फेलिक्स डिसोजा आणि हो कोलवेचो रॉबर्टो वाज. दोगूय सिनियर सिटीजन, मात संगीताची कला तांचे मन उमेदी दवरता. वेगवेगळ्या रेस्टॉरंटांनी, इव्हेंटांनी, फॅमिली फंक्शनांनी हांकां तांची कला सादर करपाक आपयतात. पणजे 2-3 जेवणाच्या रेस्टॉरंटांनी ते अशे तरेन आपली कला लोकां मुखार दवरतात. पर्यटकांकडल्यान गोंयच्या कातारां खातीर खंय चड मागणी.
तुझे नाव सांग.
My name is Felix Desuza.
And you are from?
From Margam.
Okay. So how many years you are playing with this music?
Well, in Goa now, the last maybe 3.5 years, we play in different restaurants. Like we play here in Goan, then we play in Vintage, sometimes Folga, sometimes High Tide restaurant. Yeah.
Okay. So they specially called you to
Yeah, we
sing?
perform here regularly. In Bombil, we perform every Mondays and every Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
In
they pay you?
Of course they pay us.
Okay. So what is your age now?
Me, I was 68.
68. But still you are playing the music.
Yes, yes.
It's your passion or from when you are singing?
Yeah, this is I'm a musician. So, I love to play music and promote Goan tradition. Normally people ask us to 75% we play our local language, Konkani music. Then of course in English, Hindi, sometimes Marathi also.
So you know Marathi also?
I can speak, yeah, because Marathi is a little familiar to Konkani slightly. I know.
Okay. So how people enjoying?
People, they enjoy it.
What type of music they like to watch?
Yeah, Goan, especially people love here. 90% of the people, they will even non-Goan, they prefer Goan. Just like all these mandas and all that. Bikinis, manu, Goan, masala. That is the main thing.
So what you would like to say about your this passion of music? You are still
See, we love to play music because we like to, keep our tradition going. Especially this Goan tradition, our Goan music is loved by everyone. Even non-Goans who are coming, especially in Bombil now. There are so many people are coming from different parts of India. We have noticed that they prefer Konkani. We ask them, suppose someone is from Delhi, we say, should we play Hindi? No, they say play Goan, masala.
okay.
So they know.
Okay.
And we would promote our local school.
What is this instrument is called?
This is called mouth organ,
Mouth organ.
harmonica.
Okay.
Yeah.
माझं नाव रॉबर्टो वास
आणि तू कोणचो?
आणि कोल्हापूर सेनापती
कोलवा. सो तू कोलवाच्यान तुम्ही मडगावच्यान हांगा येता स्पेशल?
सुरू येता मागीर पेडणे वयता
पेडणे वयता.
एवरी सॅटर्डे.
ओके. आणि तू वाजयता ते कितें?
हा.
ते कितें म्हणटा?
क्लॅम्प बॉक्स.
ओके.
क्लॅम्प बॉक्स.
क्लॅम बॉक्स न्ही? ओके ओके ओके. सो कसो कितें रिस्पॉन्स आसा लोकांचो? तुजी एज कितली आतां?
माझी 73.
73. सो केन्नाच्यान तूं आतां हें वाजयता म्युझिक?
गोंयांत देड 2 वर्स जालें आता.
नो बट पयलीं तूं
पयलीं बेश्ट हॉबी.
हॉबी म्हणून?
गिटार वाजता इंस्ट्रुमेंट.
हां.
हॉबी एज अ हॉबी.
ओके. सो आतां हें तुमकां म्युझिक म्हणजे तुमी एक अर्निंग सोर्सूय जाता.
सारकें.
सो हें म्युझिक जें आहा.
Music and we meet lots of people.
ओके.
Interact with people. and good hobby.
So तुका उमेद जाता.
हय खूप आणि I never get tired playing.
You never get tired.
Playing. Yeah.
So music जगपाक शिकयता.
आम्ही राती 1-2
Alive, keeps alive. कितें म्हणीत न्हू राती.
आम्ही आमकां म्युझिक वाजून गेल्यार आमी टायम बा पळयना वाजीत
So as a hobby म्हणून तुम्ही करता हे.
या
Yes. दोगूच जाण आसा तुम्ही.
ना आमी पळया सगळे इव्हेंट आसल्यार आमी दुसऱ्यांक पळयतात ग्रुप.
Okay.
Another 2 musicians.
Okay.
I bring them. Events like Rose Mato,
Okay.
some
इव्हेंट आसल्यार आमी
second day wedding like
Ah.
no crowd and all. We entertain them. We call them Rose Mato.
Okay.
Before wedding they have ceremony.
Yes.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर विश्वनाथ नेने.